Have you ever pondered the profound power of solitude and its unique significance in your life? It's a force that often goes unnoticed, yet its impact is immense. It's not a flaw, but a strength, a calling, a unique energy that aligns you with the universe. Imagine feeling misunderstood, out of place, only to discover that your authenticity is recognized and celebrated. As we embark on this spiritual journey, let us explore the cosmic significance of solitude through the lens of the Moon-Saturn conjunction. In the vast expanses of the cosmos, the Moon and Saturn dance in a celestial ballet, their conjunction a powerful symbol for those who find strength in solitude. As these celestial bodies align, they create a cosmic event that resonates deeply with those who have chosen the path of solitude. This is not merely a coincidence, but a cosmic orchestra conducted by the universe itself. It's a symphony that resonates with the unique rhythm of those who find comfort and power in their own company, validating their choices and their unique journey. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbour, is known for its influence on our emotions and inner world. It represents the inner self, our deepest personal needs, and our basic habits and reactions. When it aligns with Saturn, the planet of discipline and self-control, it creates a powerful cosmic message for those who embrace solitude. The Moon-Saturn conjunction is a universal nod to the strength found in solitude. It sends a clear message. Being a loner or preferring a small circle isn't a weakness, but a calling. The universe affirms that your unique energy is aligned with this moment, and solitude becomes a source of empowerment. You see? And this celestial event is an invitation to embrace your authentic self, to honor your unique path, and to find strength in your solitude. It's a reminder that solitude is not a flaw to be fixed, but a strength to be celebrated. It's a call to recognize that you are not alone in your journey, but accompanied by the vastness of the universe itself. This cosmic event is a testament to those who have embraced solitude and found strength in it. It's a nod to those who have chosen to dance to their own beat, undeterred by the cacophony of societal expectations. It's a cosmic salute to the loners, the thinkers, the dreamers, and the doers who find power in solitude and authenticity in their individuality. The Moon-Saturn conjunction, thus, is not just an astrological event, but a cosmic affirmation of the power of solitude. Saturn, with its grounding influence, offers stability, discipline, and a structure that encourages quiet growth and reflection. This celestial body, often associated with long-term plans and life lessons, has a unique way of molding us into our most authentic selves. Imagine Saturn as a wise, old mentor, guiding us through the challenges of life with a steady hand. It doesn't rush us or push us to move faster than we're ready to. Instead, Saturn values patience, resilience, and the wisdom that comes from experience. It understands that real growth and progress often take time, unfolding slowly but surely, like a seed growing into a tree. Now, consider the loners, the ones who find strength in solitude. They are like seeds, growing quietly under the watchful eye of Saturn. They're not swayed by the noise of the crowd, nor do they seek the limelight. Instead, they remain rooted in their own world, cultivating an inner strength that is as enduring as it is powerful. Saturn, in its wisdom, recognizes this strength. It sees the value in the silent work that these individuals do, often behind the scenes. It understands that their journey is not about seeking external validation, but about building a solid foundation within themselves. And so, Saturn lends its grounding energy to these solitary souls. It supports their quiet growth, helping them to stay patient and focused. It encourages them to keep going, even when progress seems slow or non-existent. It reminds them that every step they take, no matter how small, is a step towards realizing their true potential. In this way, Saturn acts as a stabilizing force for individuals who embrace solitude. It uses its influence to turn their perceived flaws into unique powers, validating their choice to walk a different path. And the reward? Saturn's energy rewards the silent efforts of those who have found strength in solitude, manifesting their efforts into tangible results. Just as a tree eventually bears fruit after years of silent growth, so too do these individuals reap the benefits of their patience and perseverance. Their efforts, once invisible, become visible in the form of career advancements, financial opportunities, and personal achievements. And through it all, Saturn remains by their side, grounding them and guiding them on their unique journey. Unaffected by the need for social validation, loners develop a unique superpower, the power of self-regulation and resilience. Now, what does it mean to self-regulate? It's about having the ability to manage our emotional state, to stay calm amidst the chaos. It's about the strength to control our reactions, to take a step back when we feel overwhelmed, to recharge in solitude and emerge stronger. It's about resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, to bounce back from adversities with a renewed sense of self. Loners, by their very nature, cultivate this power. They create their own rhythm, unswayed by the ebbs and flows of societal trends. They are not buffeted by the whims of popular opinion. They are not seeking validation from the crowd. They are the authors of their own life stories, writing each chapter at their own pace, in their own unique style. Imagine the sea. Amidst the tumultuous waves on the surface, deep down in the depths, there is calm. That is the kind of energy loners maintain, a steady, serene energy that is not easily disrupted. It's an energy that others may find intriguing, even enviable. In a world that's constantly connected, that's always buzzing with chatter and noise, the ability to stay serene, to stay balanced, to be unaffected by the external, is indeed a superpower. It's the power of independence, the power of resilience, and the power of self-regulation. Loners understand their boundaries. They know their limits. They respect their needs. They have the courage to say no when they need to. They have the strength to step away, to take a pause, to recharge. They know when to speak and when to stay silent. They are not led by the crowd, but by their own internal compass. In their solitude, they cultivate wisdom. In their independence, they find strength. In their self-regulation, they develop resilience. They are not just surviving, they are thriving. And in doing so, they become a beacon, a guide for others. They become energetic authorities, their independence a beacon for others to follow. In their solitude, loners become energetic authorities and guides, their independence a beacon for others to follow. In their solitude, loners often develop keen observational skills, seeing through social facades, lies and contradictions. This may seem like a small perk of solitude, but it's far more significant than it appears on the surface. These individuals cultivate an uncanny ability to read between the lines, to perceive what others miss in the hustle and bustle of their social lives. In the quiet corners of their solitary existence, they become adept at understanding the subtle nuances of human behaviour, the motivations that drive people, and the unspoken truths hidden behind smiles and small talk. This understanding isn't born overnight, but it's the fruit of countless hours spent in quiet contemplation and observation. Their keen sense of observation isn't just about understanding others, though. It's also about understanding themselves, their own motivations, strengths, and weaknesses. This introspection can lead to a profound level of self-awareness, which is a rare and valuable trait in a world where many people are disconnected from their true selves. This unique perspective and deep understanding can also translate into wisdom and strategic advantage. They can navigate social and life complexities with grace and ease, not because they are better than others, but because they see things others don't. They see the truth, the reality beneath the surface. Their detachment from social noise allows for a deeper understanding of the world around them, transforming solitude into a strategic advantage. Real transformation often happens silently, away from public view, nurtured by patience and maturity. It's like a seed planted deep within the earth, unseen but growing slowly and steadily. It's an intimate dance between you and the universe, a dance that doesn't require an audience, only commitment. This is the essence of quiet growth, a gentle, deliberate evolution that's not about grand gestures or loud proclamations. It's about the incremental changes that happen when no one is looking, when you're alone with your thoughts, your dreams, and your resolve. It's about trusting the process, even when you can't see the progress. It's about knowing that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. It's about understanding that growth can't be rushed, that it's not a race, but a journey, and that the journey is just as important, if not more so, than the destination. And sometimes it's about keeping some aspects of your personal growth private until they're fully realized, not because they're secrets, but because they're sacred. They're the parts of you that are still budding, still tender, still finding their strength. They're the parts of you that need your protection, your patience, your love. The Moon-Saturn conjunction is a celestial reminder that the quiet work behind the scenes is where true growth occurs. It's a cosmic affirmation that solitude, far from being a flaw, is a fertile ground for transformation. It's a call to embrace your own pace, to honor your own path, and to trust in your own power. As we journey through the cosmos, we find that solitude is not a flaw, but a strength. This Moon-Saturn conjunction illuminates the power of solitude, transforming perceived weaknesses into unique strengths. Saturn, with its grounding influence, offers stability and structure, encouraging quiet growth and reflection. The universe affirms that your unique energy is aligned with this moment, and solitude is a source of empowerment. Our independence, self-regulation, and keen observational skills are our superpowers. Through the lens of the Moon-Saturn conjunction, we are reminded that embracing our authentic selves and finding strength in solitude is part of our cosmic journey.